went out today, asked the same people what bad habit that they'd like to break, right? That's slowing them from their fitness goals. Kunwari ako, used to be, smoking, yes. Vaping, IQOS, the healthier versions. But smoking only when I would actually drink. But that was years ago. I haven't smoked in years, thankfully. Pero sobrang tagal. So I had to give up going out. When vaping, naging uso yun. I would vape here and there. I wouldn't really buy one, but I just always, vape from other people. And that was something super shameful. Pero, mentally gusto ko i-quit, but I couldn't really do it, right? But I'm happy to say that I don't do it anymore. Yay! Shh. Still do, but I don't. Shh. Don't tell my wife. And what other bad habits? I guess, munching, yung mga ganun, right? Snacking. So yun, what are the bad habits that you would like to break that's slowing you down from your goals? So I asked a few people, baka makarelate kayo. Maybe you can get some ideas or tips from them as well.
Yung bad habit, actually natanggal ko na siya, which is yung pagbe-vape tsaka pag-smoke. Natanggal ko na siya mga 2 weeks ago. Then,
gusto kong matanggal is yung pagke-crave ko nga sa sugars. Kasi hindi maiiwasan.
Dahil napupuyat.
Yes po, kailangan ko ng sugar to keep me awake at night.
Sa bad habit naman po, before I feel good po about sa self ko, medyo during college days po and senior high school, medyo hindi po okay yung mental health ko.
A bad habit, siguro sleeping late at night. Yan talaga. Medyo mahirap, pero kailangan, siguro pag weekdays I can manage, pero pagdating ng weekends, medyo yun lang. Kailangan nating i-adjust yun. Kasi I believe din na kailangan talaga maagang natutulog at saka may complete sleep para nagpo-function din tayo well sa kinabukasan.
Amen.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye.